What is a life repair in Scientology auditing? Have you ever felt stuck in life, unable to move forward? In Scientology, there is a specific process called life repair that aims to help individuals overcome these challenges. So, what exactly is a life repair in Scientology auditing? Let's break it down. Life repair is a type of auditing session focused on addressing current life difficulties. It is designed to help individuals resolve issues that may be holding them back. This process is part of the larger practice of auditing, which is central to Scientology teachings. During a life repair session, a trained Scientologist, known as an auditor, guides a person referred to as a preclear through a series of questions and processes. The goal is to help the preclear examine their experiences and identify areas of distress or confusion. By doing this, the auditor assists the preclear in releasing the negative effects of past events. Life repair sessions focus on recent or present life issues. They aim to help individuals handle immediate problems like stress, confusion, or emotional upsets. The auditor uses standard auditing techniques, which may include an E-meter. This device measures small changes in electrical resistance in the body, helping to locate areas of concern. Throughout the life repair session, the auditor works closely with the preclear to uncover specific incidents or situations causing difficulty. The aim is to confront and resolve these issues, allowing the individual to move forward with greater clarity and confidence. This process is seen as a practical step toward achieving higher states of spiritual awareness and personal ability. Life repair is often recommended for new participants or those facing current life challenges. By addressing these present difficulties, it prepares individuals for further auditing processes that may focus on deeper or past life issues. In essence, a life repair in Scientology auditing is a structured session aimed at resolving current life upsets. It helps restore a person's sense of well-being and lays the groundwork for continued spiritual progress. This practical approach assists individuals in overcoming obstacles and improving their quality of life.